Alright guys, welcome to another lesson of today. Please, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I would like you to click on the red notification button, the red subscribe button there, and click the notification so that you get notified each and every time I drop a new video. Please, please, and please, like this video, share and comment, okay? If you have any question you want to ask, you are free to ask, okay? Thank you for watching. Alright, today I want to show you the basic licks for worship songs, like how you can apply your licks for worship songs. You know, so many of the lead guitarists nowadays, they feel lead guitar is just an instrument of playing anyhow. No, you don't play lead guitar anyhow. A lead guitarist must know when to come in when it comes to worship section. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you some 4 basic licks you can apply in your worship that will help you and will harmonize your worship very well. Alright, you want to play in the key of C, C sharp. Alright, the first lick there is alright, what am I playing? Let me come close so that you can see. Play the saw. This is the key C root. Alright, so the first lick there is from your saw, sol, la, re, do, sol, la, re, do, sol. But you make it a little bit fast. You make it a little bit fast. So you play it like this. Alright, so the second lick there is, so what am I playing there? I'm playing do, re, mi, sol. I'm playing re, sol, mi, la, re, sol. When you play re, sol, mi, la, you slide to mi, la. Then you play the la to the song. Alright, that is the second licks. And the third lick is Can play something like this. So what am I playing that? So I'm playing re, mi, so, re, mi, so, so, re, mi, so, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, so, mi, re, do. So you start from your, you shift it a little. So the fourth one is so what am I playing there? I'm playing the 1, the 4, the 1, the 4, the 3, then you slide to the 3 again. Do, fa, mi, re, mi, so. Do, fa, mi, re, mi, so. Do, fa, mi, re, mi, so. So what am I playing there? So, do, ti, do, mi, re, do. So, do, ti, so, mi, re, Alright, there are so many licks you can apply in your worship song. Alright, so if you want to review most of the licks and getting most of the videos and lessons, please subscribe. I'm going to drop so many licks you can apply in your worship song there. And for this video, I'm going to show you another video how to play licks for your praise. How you can apply licks for your praise, okay? Alright, thanks for watching. Love you guys.